Hey, I'm Agnes. I'm here with my beautiful lady Michelle, and on her I want to create this beautiful chai blending effect. It will create this multi-dimensional natural beige blonde result. For that I'm using the SilkLift Clay and Gloss Tones. Let's start. In the front area, my slices are diagonal to the back. By elevating the hair up and a little bit to the back, I create more negative space in between. So if the hair falls down, I have a beautiful transition of her own natural color into the pre-lightened areas. Perfect match to instantly provide care after pre-lightening service is Goldwell Dual Senses. This beautiful result at home, I recommend my clients to use Dual Senses care products. Pair these with the professional products from Style Sign to create effortlessly natural, one-of-a-kind chai blending looks that are made to last. So here you see the beautiful result of the chai blending effect. The freehand technique with SilkLift Clay and the beautiful shine of the gloss tones. If you want to learn more about the chai blending or get more inspiration or education, go to the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel, like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you there.